Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing an ultimate clean with me. So this is just a quick clean and pick up after a long weekend. This is by no means my ultimate deep clean routine, so if you'd like to see that, please let me know in the comments. But I'm going to be going through here and cleaning up my room, folding some laundry, and then moving down to the downstairs and cleaning up the living room, the kitchen, and the guest bathroom. So I start off my cleaning in my room by stripping my bed. I like to do this once a week, and then while the sheets are in the wash, I like to go ahead and do other things and then come back and make my bed once they're all done. So I don't know about anyone else, but folding is my absolute least favorite chore. So in order to get myself motivated, I like to put on some mood boosting music. I found this playlist on Spotify, which is pretty good, or I listen to a podcast or a show, and that helps the time go by faster. If you like the way I fold, I highly suggest you check out my KonMari folding video.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away.
So later in the day, I came back to make my bed after my sheets were washed, and right after they come out of the dryer, that's when I love to put them on my bed because then they don't get so wrinkly and they smell nice and fresh. And so that's what I like to do as soon as they come out the dryer, and then I'll go ahead and make my bed.
This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
So after I'm done making my bed, I like to go in and dust the surfaces of my room with this Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner in the lavender scent, and then I do that with a microfiber cloth. I got these in a pack of 3 at the dollar store, so if you're looking for a good microfiber cloth, I recommend these ones. They're just fine, and this scent lasts a really long time in my room. It smells super good and fresh, and it's also free of harsh chemicals, so it doesn't hurt my hands so much because I have eczema, and so the flare-ups are very minimal when I use this cleaner.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
So after I'm done cleaning up in any room, at the very end I like to go in with my vacuum and catch anything that might have fallen on the floor while I was cleaning and dusting off surfaces. And to do this, I'm using my Dyson V6, and I don't know about you, but it's so satisfying to see vacuum lines in your room, so I always save this for last because then I'm not walking all over it. So then I move on into the living room and I just fold up the blankets that were all over the place and start fluffing my couch and my throw pillows.
To keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene.
So one of my favorite things to do while I'm cleaning is to light a candle. So I'm using this autumn scent from Bath & Body Works, and I'm just gonna light that to make the room smell good and fresh after I'm done cleaning here. And then I'll go ahead and use my Dyson V6 to vacuum up all the hair off of my dog's bed.
Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it.
So then I moved on to the kitchen table, just picking up everything off of there. And then I had to get rid of my flowers. I love them. I keep them until I absolutely think they can't live any longer. So these were pretty dead, so I went ahead and threw these out. And then I went into the table with my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner again and a microfiber cloth to wipe it off.
Swept away all the fun of yesterdays, but I'm gonna hold it together. This ain't forever. Need a shot and then a beat, somewhere to let up some steam.
And then I went back into the living room area and used my Dyson to vacuum up the carpet in there.
Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high?
So then I went and moved into our one area of the house that seems to be our catch-all. It's where most of our stuff lands throughout the day, so I like to pick that up and then go ahead and dust it with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. And if you happen to have a place that's your catch-all in your house, please let me know in the comments below.
That song, hit it.
So then I moved on into the kitchen and I just got all of the clean dishes off the drying rack and put away. And then I moved on to wiping down the counters and cleaning the dishes that were dirty in the sink as well.
Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. Am I gonna need that song? Hit it.
So after I'm done with the dishes, I like to go ahead and scrub down my sink, and to do this I use the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleaner in the lemon verbena scent. And this is just good because it kind of has this rough texture to it, so I know it's kind of exfoliating the sink and getting that good deep clean that I need after all the food and gunk was in there.
Underneath rays of gold, your body, you're so close. No, I can't forget, no. When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, 'cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, 'cause do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. That's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. It's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Lose control of myself. Can't find you anywhere. Been trying for too long. I give up.
So after I'm done cleaning in the kitchen, I move on into the guest bathroom, and to clean those surfaces, I use the Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner and tub and tile cleaner in the lemon verbena scent. And in the bathroom, I like to use paper towels instead of a microfiber cloth because I feel like microfiber cloths just push dirt around on the toilets instead of actually picking them up. And then for a no streak on my mirror, I also like to use a paper towel.
This crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. That's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. It's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
So that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed it today, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to have you back in the future for more content.